Another older CRV here, typical burnt tops, in desperate need of a restoration. Here's the before side. Burnt tops, front face, needs work. This is an older CRV. This thing's probably about 18 years old. Okay, passenger side is the same. Hazed out in the front, burnt on the tops. But when we got done with it, it looked great. Here, look at this. Here we go. Not bad for an older car. Looks fantastic. Because that's the work that we do. Look at this. Broward County, we're the best. Just give us a call. 754-302-0769. We are mobile. We come to your home or office. Text us today. Text us your pictures. Text us. Let us know about where you want us, and we will be there.